Hello my friends, today our topic is Food Menu online ordering using the Food Menu plugin. Today we are going to learn how to take online food orders using the Foodimat theme along with a Food Menu plugin. Foodimat is very easy to customize, which allows you to add all the elements you need while branding your website exactly the way you want. As you can see, the menu is already well organized into sections like breakfast, lunch and dinner. Now let's start with a quick demo of how online ordering works. First, we will select any item and add it to the cart. As soon as we do that, it immediately takes us to the cart and checkout option. Once all your selected items are added, click on the checkout button. You will instantly be redirected to the checkout page where you need to fill in your delivery details, preferred delivery date and delivery time. After completing the form, click on place order. Once the order is placed, you will be able to view the full order details. So from start to finish, this is the complete process of how a customer can easily place an order. Now let's go through the entire process step by step from the scratch. You need to install the Food Menu plugin, free and the pro versions. After installing and activating this, go to the Food Menu plugin dashboard and navigate to the settings. According to the food menu type, select online ordering. Online ordering requires WooCommerce with the advanced features available in the Pro version. Now go to the WooCommerce and navigate to the products, then categories. In this step, we will add food categories. For this, provide your required title and then click on Add New Category to save this. Here you can see it. Now let's add food items to WooCommerce product. For this, click on Add New Product and provide a title for it. And then you can write a description about your item. In the product data, set your regular price as well as sale price. If you want, you can write a short description about your item. In the right hand side, you can set your category and item image. You can choose it from yourself. While done, then click on Publish to save it. Now let's click on View Product. And here you can see Single Details page. Now let's back to the WooCommerce and navigate to All Products, where you can see all the list of your food items. Now let's go to the Food Menu plugin dashboard and then Shortcode Generator. Let's click on Add Post to generate your shortcode. First, we need to provide the title, and from this shortcode generator, you can choose filtering. According to the filtering, let's select the WooCommerce as your food item data source. If you want, you can change your layout as per your demand. Here, you will get various type of layouts like grid list, grid by category, slider layouts, isotype layouts. And if you want, you can preview each layout style one by one from the below. After selecting your required layout, then click on Save to update it, and then copy your shortcode from here. Now let's go to the page to add a new page. Let's open a new tab for this and provide your title here. Then from the below, click on plus icon, find shortcode and paste your copied shortcode here. Then click on Publish and let's view the page. Here it is. Not only that, if you further want, you can also change your category title settings from here. If you want, you can also customize your image settings like image size, border radius, and etc. from here. For the excerpt settings, you can also set your excerpt limit. Now let's click on Update and go to the page to see the difference after customization. First, reload the page and here you can see the difference. You can also customize your excerpt limit as how much you want. Let's make the changes here, update it, and see the difference after reloading the page. In the next, if you want, you can customize the detail page. You can make it enable or disable according to your preference. For the extra settings, if you want, you can change the Read More button text instead of Read More. And same for the Add to Cart button text. Select the element margin for the layout. Now let's go to the filtering. From here, you can include your post for the list of post IDs to display. Same for the exclude post also. Not only that, you can also set your post limit and set the categories. You can choose and select multiple categories instead of one item. While done, let's click on Update to save it. Now let's go to the page to see the changes. If you think you don't want to select any category, then keep it blank. Next, go to the field selection. From here, you can select any field to display or hide by enabling or disabling these options. From the below, you can see the customization changes. For example, stock status. If you make it disable, then it will not appear anymore. Let's update it and go to the page to see the difference. As you can see, there is no excerpt and stock status. If you want, you can still change your layout style from here. Before confirming the final layout, you can try and see the each preview. Let's select any one and update it to see the changes after customizing. In the next, we will go to the styling for our general styles. From here, you can customize your primary color from its color picker. Let's go to the below to see the changes from the preview. Let's update it. Go to the page and see here the primary color turns into the red from the blue after changing the color. Let's back to the settings again. Here, as you can see, various color customization are available here. For example, button styles, extra styles for the color customization. After choosing your required color, let's click on update to save it and go to the page to see all the changes after customization. Now let's select any items and add those to the cart. Once all your selected items are added, now click on the checkout button and you will instantly be directed to the checkout page where you need to fill in your delivery details. After completing the form, click on place order. Once the order is placed, you will be able to view the full order details, which includes ordered items, billing information, and the selected payment method. And this is how you can complete your online ordering. Thanks for watching.